Hey, what's up everybody? 2010 Toyota Corolla battery replacement. First we're going to get this battery hold down off. It's a 10mm. I like to use a deep socket 10mm to get this off. Sometimes the hold down nut on the inside one is a little low. Alright, so we'll get this off and then save these. This is actually an aftermarket nut. We'll go ahead and pull this off, set it to the side. Alright, so once that is off, we can pull the pole out. There's like a little hook on the bottom. You can just pull this out, put it to the side for now. This positive clamp has a little cover over it. Pull that off, and then we'll get this negative terminal clamp off. It's a 10mm. Just got to loosen it. You don't got to take the nut all the way off, and then you should be able to wiggle it loose and pull it off. Then I'm going to do the positive side. Same thing, just get the nut loose. Sometimes they could be stubborn, or if they're corroded, they could be a little hard to get off, and you might have to loosen it a little more, but you should be able to get it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and lift this out and put it on the ground off camera. This has a handle, which is nice. I got my new battery here. You could switch this handle to your new battery if it has the little slots on the side. Make sure the negative and terminal are the same. This battery, it looks like the group is a 35T, I believe. 525 CCA. You could use a little pick to get the little locking tabs off the handle. Then you just stick it in your new battery, and then you could have a handle. So put it back in. And then we're going to put our positive clamp back on right here, and then just tighten it down. It doesn't have to be mega tight, you know, just get it snug. You don't want to damage the terminal or the battery. And then we'll get the negative, take this little cover off, put the negative on. The negative goes on last because it's less likely to spark or cause a voltage spike. And then, you know, we always take it off first as well. So tighten down the 10mm on it. My hold down's kind of dirty and rusty, so I just kind of cleaned it up with a brush. Got the corrosion off of it, or any kind of, you know, buildup. And then just spray it. I'm spraying it with some gloss black spray paint, just to kind of make it look a little better and kind of prevent it from corroding so much. You don't have to do this. This is optional. But get that back on. And then I'm going to put my 10mm bolt on for the front. And then for the pull part, you just kind of just route this to the bottom, and then you hook it in the hole. Then you put your nut on. You tighten these down. They don't got to be super tight, just snug. You don't want to warp your battery. I've seen people tighten them down way too tight, and they actually like dent the battery and damage it. So just snug so it doesn't move. Put your cover back on your positive clamp, and that's it. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.